Hello students, let us discuss the group 16 elements, its reactivity with halogen. These elements form a large number of halides of type EXE, EX4, EX2 and E2X2, where E is the element of the group 16 and X is the halogen. The stability of halides decreases in the order, that is F negative is more stable, then Cl negative, then Br negative, then I negative. Let us talk about the monohalides. These elements can form monohalides which are dimeric in nature. For example, that is S2F2, S2Cl2, S2Br2, Se2Cl2, Se2Br2. These are dimeric halide which undergoes disproportionation reaction which is given here. Now let us talk about the molecule SF2, that is the type of EX2 of this group element 16. The structure of this is important because when we make the Lewis structure here, the structure is given here, that is sulfur is having 6 valence electron. So from 6 valence electron, 1 electron is shared with one fluorine and 1 electron is shared with other fluorine. So it forms a Lewis structure in this way, in which we can say that there are 2 bond pair and 2 lone pairs. So bond pair plus lone pair, that is 2 bond pair plus 2 lone pair is equal to, when we make the sum, that is equal to 4. So the geometry is tetrahedral geometry. But because of the presence of 2 lone pairs, its shape is bend shape. Just like the water, the geometry is tetrahedral in the case of water, but there are 2 lone pairs. Similarly, in the case of SF2 also, it have tetrahedral geometry, but it have a bend shape like this. When we talk about SF4, that is a EX4 type. Here we have taken for the central atom, S we have taken. The configuration here, according to the sulfur, that is NS2NP4. So 4 plus 2, that is 6 valence electron. These have 6 valence electron. Out of 6 valence electron, one electron is shared with 4 fluorine. So there will be 2 electron remaining to the sulfur. That is 1 lone pair. So it forms 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair. 4 bond pair plus 1 lone pair, that is equal to 5. So its geometry is trigonal bipyramid. Because here there is 1 lone pair, so when we make a trigonal bipyramid geometry, here 1 lone pair is there. So the geometry is trigonal bipyramid. But when we are talking about the shape, we can avoid this lone pair. So when you look at now, its structure look like a seesaw. So its shape is seesaw shape. So what we can say, it have a sp3 dehybridization. Geometry is trigonal bipyramid, but the shape is seesaw shape. Let us talk about SF6, that is of type EX6, in which the E we are taking as central atom, S here. Here the hybridization is sp3d2. Last year we have discussed about this hybridization. Its hybridization is sp3d2. The geometry is octahedral. Octahedral, the geometry is given here. So this is all about the 3 molecules which we have discussed here, that is SF2, SF4 and SF6. So it is quite important to learn the structure for these elements. So we can conclude from this that the element of group 16 form a number of halide. Important halides are hexahalide, tetra and dihalides. Even it can form monohalides that are dimeric in nature. They are prepared by the direct reaction of chalcogen with the respective halogen. And here when we talk about the compound of fluorine and oxygen, when we talk about fluorine and oxygen compound, in this case they are called as fluoride. That is oxygen and fluorine compound, that is OF2. This compound is called as fluoride, not oxide, because here F is getting minus oxidation state and O is getting plus 2 oxidation state. Since when you compare the electronegativity of oxygen and fluorine, fluorine is more electronegative. So it develops a negative oxidation state, but oxygen develop positive 2 oxidation state. So oxygen always develop negative oxidation state except with the compound with fluorine, because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. So what we can say that such compounds are called as fluorides, because here F is getting negative oxidation state, they are not called as oxides. But the compound of oxygen with chlorine, bromine or iodine, in that case these are called as oxides. Instead of saying halides, they are called as oxides, because in this case when you compare the electronegativity of these, oxygen is more electronegative, so it develop negative oxidation state and the halogen develop a positive oxidation state. So in such case of compounds, these are called as oxides, because oxygen is developing negative oxidation state. So it is one of the quite important question that why the compound of a fluorine with oxygen are called as fluorides, but the compound of chlorine, bromine or iodine with oxygen is called as oxides. So this is the reason for this. So this is all about the reactivity of halogen with 16 group elements. So in this video we discussed about the structure of 3 molecules, that is SF2, SF4, SF6. These are quite important for the exam. So all of you practice on this on the basis of VSEPR theory which we have learned last year. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.